took a slice out of it. Went over the top like that. If you get it all there, you can get a few good press and tracks again. They obviously they really don't do it. Well, Jackie, what I did was good to think about it. Come on, keep at it, keep at it. Still looking at this. Look, you gotta get some in here. That's what I was thinking. Getting the sill attached to the, getting the cover sill attached to the bottom of there is what I'm doing. So okay, so that's the plan. I got to do something there. That's my next thing. I'm going to get some tin and just get some tin and start tacking something in there. I'm not going to get too mad. Thinking if I can get something onto there, to the edge of the sill, just come down off that bracket I can get maybe in there to weld that, and that will then just support that to the sill. And then if I put a plate across from the here to get onto the edge of there and back to here, that might do as well. But obviously the wing, I don't know where the wing actually sits. I think the wing sits on top of here, but we'll have to have a look once we get a few more tacks in it. All right. So, for the minute, let's just, oh Lord, oh, does it make me thankful for a few tacks I've made. I'm going to get under there next. Oop, don't look at that, that's not nice, not pretty. No, as long as the structure take it at the A, the V posts and the seatbelt mounts and the bits that I need are working on, I can just make some floor panels afterwards and drop them straight in onto the edges. I probably won't bother. I don't know. Just as long as I get it done. It's actually really hard, and I know, you know, no, trust me, mate, it's not fun after a while. It really isn't. It just becomes something you just sit there and you think, why am I doing this? And then really, you actually wonder why you're doing it. And to be honest, I wonder, but I will say, come on, it's worth it in the end. Because that sounds like Fogel Sharky, doesn't it? It'll all be worth it in the end. And a good Aston is hard to find. So please be gentle with this rusty heap of mine. I've heard a few stories. I think it must be true. All about Astons and what they can do for you. They can rust away without really trying hard. Still, it is a lovely car. I know the good rust is hard to find. Oh yeah, it goes on there. A good rusty car is hard to find. Please be careful with this rusty heap of mine. Hey, no, okay. That was what to give me a bit more of a enthusiasm again. So I'm going to say, and I'm going to say this now. I'll get those tacks done. I'm going to turn you off because I think you're running rapidly out of batteroli. But I'm going to say, I'll turn you off, and then in theory, the other side shouldn't be as difficult as this side has been. So I'm just going to get this sort of relatively good. I'd like to get the blast socket back. It's so hard because he's going to get covered in crap. But come on, I mean, let's be honest. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to turn you off. I'm going to turn you off, guys. And I'm going to get a bit more done and maybe come back to it when it's sort of... I don't know whether you're going to think it's any good or not. I suppose, you know, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day, but I tell you what, she's starting to look good. I will say that she's starting to look like a car. I want to get rid of the welding because I want to get onto the sort of mechanicals, and I want to get onto the brakes, and I want to get onto the pedal box, and I'd like to get the dashboard, and then obviously I need to get a boost of enthusiasm, which is getting it running. So get it running and driving, get the clutch fixed, get the brake pedal, brake master, the brakes. Then I'm actually sort of relatively, I'm not far off. I'm gonna get the wings obviously back on and the bonnet. I'll do. There's a few more bits I'll try to do anyway, but right. So I'm gonna sign off there, leave you with it, and we'll come back to when I've got a bit more enthusiasm. All right, talk to you soon, bye.